In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag a formula in Google Sheets. This is a simple but powerful skill that will save you a lot of time anytime you're working with numbers, text, or any repeated calculation. Let's start by opening your spreadsheet and choosing the cell where you want your first calculation to go. Click into that cell and type your formula the way you normally would. For example, you might add two cells together, multiply a price by a quantity, or calculate a percentage. Once you're done typing, press Enter so that Google Sheets can apply the formula and show you the result in that cell. Next, click once on that same cell to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a colored outline around the cell. This outline is important because it reveals the small control we're going to use to drag the formula. Now move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the selected cell. You'll see a tiny blue square there. This is called the fill handle. Slowly hover your cursor right over that square. As soon as you're on top of it, your cursor will change into a small crosshair. That change tells you you're in the right spot to drag the formula. With the crosshair showing, click and hold your mouse button down on the fill handle. While holding the button, drag the handle in the direction you want the formula to copy. If you want the formula to repeat down a column, drag straight down. If you want it to repeat across a row, drag to the right or left. As you move, you'll see a faint outline showing the range of cells that will receive the formula. Take a moment to drag until you've covered exactly the cells you need. You don't have to be perfect on the first try. You can always undo or adjust later. When you're happy with the range you've highlighted, simply release the mouse button. Google Sheets will instantly copy your original formula into every cell in that range, automatically adjusting cell references where appropriate. Finally, click on a few of the new cells and look at the formula bar at the top to confirm that the formula has been filled correctly. If it looks good and the results make sense, you've successfully dragged your formula. This technique works for most formulas in Google Sheets and is one of the quickest ways to apply the same calculation to a large set of data.